Hey everyone, it's R-Jay Rockwell and welcome to the Rockwell Bar. Today we're diving into a true classic, the old-fashioned. It's simple but sophisticated and oh so smooth, so let's get started. Okay, before we mix it up, let's talk a bit about the history of the old-fashioned. This cocktail dates back in the 1800s and is considered one of the very first mixed drinks ever created. It got its name in the late 19th century when people began to ask for a cocktail made the old-fashioned way. With just whiskey, sugar, bitters and water, it's a drink that stood the test of time. So let's take a quick look at what we're using today. First we got a bourbon whiskey, some aromatic bitters, some sugar cubes, and a fresh orange for the garnish. Oh, and don't forget a bit of water. Alright, now let's make it. First drop a sugar cube into your regular glass or take a mixing glass. Then add about 3 dashes of bitters directly onto your cube. Then add just a splash of water to help dissolve the sugar. Gently muddle everything together until the sugar is mostly dissolved. This is the foundation of the old-fashioned, smooth and sweet. You might be surprised, but adding bitters is like adding life's little struggles. They make the final result much sweeter. And now it's time for the good stuff. Add 50 ml or 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Now put in some ice cubes and give it a gentle stir. About 20 times left and 20 times right. This is just enough to chill and slightly dilute the drink without watering it down. 20? In this case, stirring is the key. They say good things come to those who wait, but in cocktails, good things come to those who stir. And 20. Now we get a glass and a big ice cube and we strain it into the glass. Right, and for the final touch, take the orange, peel it, and give it a twist over the glass and then drop it in. And there you have it, the perfect old-fashioned, as smooth as Sinatra, but twice as cool. Cheers! It's called the old-fashioned, but let's be honest, this drink is forever in style. If you like this recipe, then hit that like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments what's your favorite whiskey for an old-fashioned. Until next time, and as always, drink responsibly and rock well. Cheers! Hey everyone, it's R-Jay Rockwell and welcome... Oh. It's got its name. It's got its name. Let's talk a little about and a fresh and a fresh orange for the garnish. If you like this recipe, then hit that like. Last one. And there you have it, the perfect old-fashioned. As smooth as Sinatra, but twice as cool.